Most people believe they're managing their money just fine. But here is the truth. Nearly 65% of Americans cannot account for where a third of their income actually goes each month. Surprising, right? In this video, I'm challenging myself to uncover the best budget strategy that really works in real life. I'll be testing different methods, sharing my results, and revealing the most practical tips to help you take full control of your finances. Let's be honest, budgeting isn't exciting. It sounds restrictive, boring, and sometimes even stressful. But here's the truth. Your budget isn't meant to control you. It's meant to free you. The right budget strategy gives you clarity and control over your money, so you can focus on the things that matter most. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for your dream home, or finally starting that emergency fund. In this video, we'll explore several budgeting strategies to help you figure out which one fits you best. Because when it comes to money, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. So what makes budgeting so difficult? For starters, life doesn't always go as planned. You set up a perfect budget, and then suddenly your car breaks down, your rent goes up, or your best friend invites you on an unexpected trip. On top of that, impulse spending and digital payments make it easy to lose track of where your money goes. Many people feel guilty for overspending or frustrated when they can stick to their plans. But it is not about perfection. It's about creating a system that adjusts with your life. The goal is to make your budget flexible, not fragile. Let's break down a few popular budgeting strategies and see how they work. The 50-30-20 rule is simple and effective. You spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and 20% on savings or debt repayment. It's great for people who want structure without too much detail. Next, there's zero-based budgeting, where every dollar has a purpose. You assign each dollar you earn to a category until your balance hits zero. It forces you to be intentional with your money, which makes it ideal for anyone trying to get serious about saving or paying off debt. Then we have the envelope method, an old-school favorite. You divide your cash into envelopes labeled for different expenses like groceries, gas, or entertainment. When an envelope is empty, you're done spending in that category. It's hands-on, but it's great for curbing impulse buys. There's also the pay yourself first strategy, where you treat savings as a non-negotiable bill. Before paying for anything else, you set aside money for your goals. This builds wealth almost effortlessly over time. Here's a tip most people overlook. Automate your budgeting. Use technology to your advantage. Set up automatic transfers to savings, schedule bill payments, and use apps that track your spending. Automation removes emotion from your money decisions. You don't have to rely on willpower to save or invest. It just happens. Another underrated trick is to budget for fun. When you allow yourself a little space for enjoyment, you're far less likely to overspend later. Budgeting isn't about saying no, it's about saying yes intentionally. Another key part of successful budgeting is tracking your expenses daily or weekly. You can't improve what you don't measure. Even small habits like writing down every purchase for a week can open your eyes to where your money truly goes. You might be surprised to see how those small coffee runs or delivery orders add up. Once you see your spending patterns, it becomes easier to adjust your budget and make better choices without feeling deprived. If you struggle with motivation, try creating a visual goal board for your finances. Print photos of your goals, a new car, a home, a vacation, and place them where you can see them daily. Visual reminders make your goals feel more real and keep you focused when you are tempted to spend impulsively. The more you connect emotionally with your goals, the easier it is to stick to your budget. Don't forget the power of reviewing and reflecting each month. A budget isn't something you set once and forget. At the end of every month, take 10 minutes to check how you did. Did you overspend on food? Did you save more than planned? Adjust your next month's plan accordingly. This small habit helps you stay consistent and builds long-term discipline. If you live with a partner or family, Communicate openly about money. Many budgets fail because one person tries to manage it alone. Sit down together, discuss priorities, and agree on spending limits. When everyone understands the plan, it's easier to stay accountable and avoid financial stress at home. Remember, teamwork makes budgeting smoother. One common mistake people make is forgetting to budget for irregular expenses like birthdays, car maintenance, or holidays. These costs sneak up on you and can ruin even the best budget. The solution is to create a sinking fund, small monthly contributions for future expenses. For example, save $50 a month for gifts, so when December arrives, you already have money set aside. Let's also talk about emergency funds. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion gives you peace of mind. Aim to build at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easily accessible account. It's not just about avoiding debt. It's about sleeping better at night, knowing you're prepared for life's surprises. Another powerful concept is the anti-budget, a method for people who hate tracking details. You simply decide how much you want to save each month, say 20%, and automatically transfer it to savings as soon as you get paid. Whatever's left is yours to spend freely. This method simplifies money management and reduces guilt because you've already prioritized savings. Finally, remember that budgeting should feel personal and empowering. Don't copy someone else's plan just because it worked for them. Experiment with different methods, combine strategies, and find what feels natural. The best budget is the one you'll actually stick to. So, what's the best budget strategy? The truth is, it depends on you. The 50-30-20 rule offers balance, zero-based budgeting builds discipline, and automation adds consistency. The key is to start somewhere, track your progress, and tweak as you go. Remember, your budget is a living plan. It grows and adapts with you. Now it's your turn. What's your best budget strategy? Drop it in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, check out my next one on simple money habits that can change your life forever. Subscribe for more smart, practical financial tips every week.